The world's most expensive supercar isn't just about speed, it's about absolute domination on every level. We're talking about Bugatti, and what I'm about to reveal will blow your mind. Let's cut straight to the chase. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport costs approximately $3.9 million. That's over 1 billion Pakistani rupees. With that kind of money, you could buy an entire neighborhood. But here's the thing, once you hear what this machine can do, you'll understand why people are willing to pay this insane price. This beast packs a punch that's almost unbelievable. It runs on an 8.0-liter W16 engine with 4 turbochargers. Yes, 4. Most cars have 1 or 2. But Bugatti decided to go absolutely crazy. This engine produces 1,600 horsepower. That's enough power to snap your neck back when you hit the accelerator. Speed is where things get absolutely ridiculous. This car goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Blink and you'll miss it. The top speed? An absolutely mind-blowing 490 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most small airplanes. You could theoretically drive from Karachi to Lahore in about an hour, though Pakistani roads and traffic police might have different plans for you. Now here's where it gets even crazier. The tires on this car need to be replaced every 2,500 miles. And one set costs $42,000. That's 11.7 million Pakistani rupees just for tires. The wheels need replacing every 10,000 miles at $120,000, which is 33.3 million rupees. Just maintaining this car costs more than buying a luxury apartment. The entire body is made from carbon fiber, which is stronger than steel, but incredibly lightweight. Every curve, every line is designed for perfect aerodynamics. When this car hits speeds over 400 kilometers per hour, the rear spoiler automatically adjusts to keep the car stable. This machine literally thinks for itself. Step inside and you're entering pure luxury. Hand-stitched leather seats, premium dashboard materials, and an interior that makes you feel like royalty. The climate control system can turn the cabin into an igloo in summer or a sauna in winter within seconds. Here's something that'll shock you even more. Building just one Bugatti takes 6 months. 6 whole months for a single car. Each vehicle is hand-assembled by master craftsmen who've spent years perfecting their skills. Every bolt, every panel, every stitch is done with absolute precision. The fuel consumption is absolutely insane too. At top speed, this car burns through its entire fuel tank in just 9 minutes. That means you're spending thousands of dollars per hour just on petrol. But honestly, if you can afford a Bugatti, fuel costs are probably the least of your worries. Only a handful of people in the world own this masterpiece. Bugatti produces very limited numbers each year, making it extremely exclusive. You can't just walk into a dealership with money and buy one. Bugatti chooses its customers, not the other way around. This isn't just a car. It's a statement, a work of art, an engineering marvel that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. It's the ultimate symbol of success and achievement.